Assalamu alaikum. Currently, when you open social media, you will see the prevalence of videos about juices claiming to cleanse the liver. 5-day liver cleanser are certain herbal pills promising to clean your liver within a few days. So today, we will talk about whether this is truly possible. If you eat fried foods cooked in oil every day, drink sugary drinks loaded with sugar, consume salty foods, eat heavy meals late at night, and expect one glass of Karela juice or detox powder to fix it instantly, remember this is a misconception. The reality is even more concerning. About an unhealthy lifestyle leads to the accumulation of fat in the liver, known as fatty liver, which already affects every third household, and it is no longer limited to adults. Even young people aged 25 to 30 are developing liver stiffness, fibrosis, and fatty liver. The liver is an organ with a natural ability to repair itself. But if you don't provide it with proper nutrition and a healthy environment, it will not be able to function at its full capacity. True liver cleansing happens in two stages. In the first phase, the liver transforms toxic substances into different chemicals, but these chemicals are often more reactive than the original toxins. And if stopped at this phase, they can damage the cells. However, in the second phase, these chemicals are rendered water soluble and excreted from the body through urine or stools. For the liver to effectively complete these phases, it needs specific vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids. When these are lacking, toxins remain in the first phase, leading to inflammation and liver damage. Therefore, genuine liver cleansing is not about detox juices or herbal powders. Instead, proper nutrition and a healthy gut are the most critical components. These are the primary ways to help your liver switch to repair mode, prevent fatty liver, and boost your overall health. Now let's talk about foods known to be beneficial for the liver. Make these foods part of your daily diet to give your liver the best chance to heal itself. Without further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Sulfur-rich vegetables. The first and most important category is sulfur-rich vegetables, such as cauliflower, radishes, and mustard greens. Many people avoid these because they might cause gas or bloating, but in truth, they are highly beneficial for your liver. These vegetables are rich in sulfur, an essential nutrient that supports the liver in producing glutathione. Glutathione, a potent antioxidant that helps the liver combat toxic substances. When the body lacks sulfur, the liver struggles to produce enough glutathione, resulting in an insufficient detoxification process. By eating these types of vegetables daily, the liver's phase 2 enzymes are activated, helping to release harmful chemicals, side effects of medications, and carcinogenic substances from the body. Moreover, the slightly pungent taste of radishes is due to natural compounds that boost bile production, which acts like a detergent for the liver, transferring toxins and waste to the intestines for excretion. So don't just view radishes as a simple salad ingredient, acknowledge them as effective agent for liver cleansing and improving its function. If these vegetables are steamed or lightly cooked with a small amount of oil and consumed daily, they can lead to noticeable improvement in your liver health. Number 2. Turmeric and black pepper. The second essential item in our kitchen is the combination of turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric contains a natural compound called curcumin, which strengthens and maintains the health of liver cells. When the liver fights toxins or harmful chemicals, inflammation and oxidative stress can harm the cells, reducing its ability to cleanse the body and process fats. Curcumin strengthens the protective layer of cells and prevents fat accumulation. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body, leading to wastage. The solution is to add a small amount of black pepper to turmeric, since black pepper contains papain, which increases the body's ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2000%. It is crucial to use the proper balance. For example, half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper is sufficient, Excessive use of turmeric and black pepper can be harmful, so always ensure the correct proportion and make it part of your daily diet. This combination of turmeric and black pepper helps cleanse the liver, reduce oxidative stress, and cut down on fat. Number 3. Garlic. The third essential item is garlic, which is not only important for taste and aroma but also very beneficial for the liver. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, allicin, and selenium. These protect the liver's antioxidant enzymes and activate them to remove heavy metals and harmful chemicals from the body. To reap the full benefits of garlic, it should be lightly crushed and left for 5 to 10 minutes to activate the allicin before being added to food or consumed raw. This method speeds up the liver's detoxification enzymes, enhancing their efficiency. Number 4. Beetroot and carrots. The fourth essential food are beetroot and carrots, which assist the liver in cleansing the blood. Beetroot contains betalains, which protect the liver cells, DNA from damage, reduce inflammation, and enhance the production of detox enzymes. Meanwhile, carrots are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which improve overall liver function. It is better to consume them as a salad rather than juice, since the fiber binds to toxins in the intestines and eliminates them from the body, reducing the liver's workload. Number 5. Whole eggs. The fifth essential food is whole eggs, including the yolk, which is often avoided by individuals with fatty liver due to the misconception that it raises cholesterol. In reality, this belief is a myth, and modern science acknowledges its importance. Egg yolks contain choline, a vital nutrient for the liver. Choline aids the liver in properly processing fats and triglycerides, preparing them for energy use or transport, resulting in a clean liver. To remove fat from the liver, the body needs a transport system called VLDL. A diet insufficient in choline prevents the liver from producing VLDL, resulting in fat accumulation in the liver and causing fatty liver disease. Therefore, consuming 1 to 2 whole eggs daily benefit the liver by strengthening it and helping convert stored fat into energy. Eggs are actually instrumental in helping the liver remove fat, so avoiding them is a misplaced viewpoint. Eating eggs in a healthy manner, such as boiled, significantly support the liver's health, detoxification, and fat processing capacity. Number 6. Fermented foods. The last food on our list is fermented food. Listen carefully, because liver cleansing occurs through the intestines, known as the gut-liver axis. When the amount of harmful bacteria in the stomach increases, they produce endotoxins that directly damage the liver. To avoid this issue, eat fermented foods like homemade yogurt and lassi. These are rich in probiotics that strengthen the intestinal walls to protect the liver. When the intestines are clean, the liver has enough time to heal instead of dealing with toxins. If you add curcumin to your yogurt or lassi, your liver will become even cleaner and healthier. Foods to avoid. Remember, cleansing is pointless if your habits and diet are wrong. Therefore, it is essential to avoid certain things, especially liquid fructose found in sugary drinks like cola, sugary drinks, and packaged fruit juices, which severely harm the liver because fructose metabolism happens directly in the liver, increasing the workload of this organ. When you consume sugary beverages, they suddenly increase the metabolic workload on the liver, which it cannot handle properly, resulting in an excess of fat. This process is called the de novo lipogenesis, which is a primary cause of fatty liver or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Moreover, frequent use of repeatedly heated oils is highly harmful because at high temperature, these oils become oxidized lipids and advanced glycated end products, causing oxidative stress on liver cells and weakening detox enzymes, leading to damage to its protective layer. Additionally, refined carbohydrates like flour, white lentils, and bakery foods have a high glycemic index, rapidly increasing insulin levels. Constantly high insulin results in the liver storing fat instead of burning it. Ultra-processed foods lacking fiber and essential nutrients reduce the liver's insulin sensitivity, It is also important to note that excessive alcohol consumption inhibits the liver's ability to heal. Alcohol metabolism produces acetaldehyde, a toxin that directly damages liver cells and reduces glutathione, a vital antioxidant weakening the liver. By cutting back on sugar, choosing healthy fats, consuming sulfur-rich vegetables, and caring for your gut, your liver enters repair mode. It starts healing itself. If you experience persistent pain on the right side of your abdomen, extreme fatigue, or jaundice symptoms, do not ignore them and consult a doctor immediately. Take care of your health and your liver by avoiding sweets, oils, and unhealthy foods and consuming sulfur-rich vegetable. Doing so will help your liver combat fatty liver, inflammation, and other types of damages. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.